Hello, I want to go over how to use your Silhouette Cameo to cut out stickers. The first thing you need to do is have a design. Once you have created your design, you will upload it here in Silhouette Studio. I use Procreate to create all my designs. Once your image has uploaded, you're going to right-click on the image till your blade guides pop up. Then to the right in the taskbar, you will click Simplify. This will make your finished product smoother on the edges and also make the cutting process quicker. Now you want to right-click on your image and at the top of the screen, resize your sticker to your liking. Once you have resized your sticker, you're going to add the guidelines to your page and then fill in the page with multiple images. Make sure all images are simplified and ready for cut. Now in the top right hand corner, you will hit Send. In this stage, you're going to double check that all the red lines are not touching each other and are not touching the border. Now on the right hand side of your screen, double check your sticker settings. Check the depth, speed, and force and make sure that they are all set correctly. Then move to your page setup. You'll want to make sure that your page is set to the size of paper that you will be printing on. All my sticker paper comes 8.5 by 11, so that is what I will set it to. Once that is set, I am ready to print. So move to print, and then cancel. I don't know why this pops up, and then you'll do your print preferences. For the best quality image, you should set your print preferences to photo paper. This is going to give you a smudge-free print and a higher quality color. Now that your image is print, we are going to add it to our cutting mat. Place your paper in the cutting margins as close to the margins as possible. Once you are satisfied with the placement of your paper, you will add the laminate. When applying the laminate, try to get it on as smooth as possible. If you do get any bubbles, don't mess with them until after the cutting. It is much easier to remove bubbles after the cutting process. Quick tip, when picking out a cutting mat, make sure that you pick out a cutting mat that is for the type of material that you're using. Because if you use a cutting mat too sticky, it will rip out the back of your stickers. Now we're ready to cut. We're going to move our cutting mat to our Cameo and line it up with that gray line and then feed it through the machine. Once we have fed it through the machine, we will hit Send in Cameo Studios. The cutting process will take about a minute or so. While it is cutting, just watch it and make sure nothing lifts up or it will get stuck in the machine. As you can see at the bottom of my screen, the sticker paper lifted up a little. A way to prevent this from happening is to place your Cameo on a bigger surface so that the cutting mat doesn't fold over. Now that the silhouette is done cutting, we will remove the stickers and check them for any bubbles so that we can remove them at this point, and also just to check the edges and make sure that they were cut out correctly. If the stickers were cut out to your liking, then you did everything correctly. If not, then you might have to go back through and play with a few settings. If you plan on selling your stickers, I recommend taking some time to create packaging. Think about the shipping process and what your stickers will go through when shipping. So with that in mind, I use cardstock to protect the stickers from getting bent and a bag to protect from weather.